Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are using Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow, unfortunately it's not giving you that bright and a glow skin you need, stop using it alone. In today's video, I will be showing you the perfect combo that will make your Nivea works better, and I have them with me right here. It also lets you know that if you discontinue using your bleaching product and you think of using Nivea products, just know that you will get dark. You will get dark. The products I'll be reviewing to you today will help you achieve a bright skin, a naturally fair skin, and a healthy glow skin. For me here, I have the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow, popularly known as the Nivea Vitamin C. Dissar body oil, the half-cast carotene soap. Let me start with this cream. Most of you have complained that you bought this cream and start using it and it did not brighten your skin, and some of you also complained that you used it and your skin is just there, no change. About this cream is that this cream takes time to work. Give it like 2 to 3 weeks before you start seeing the effect. And if you have a mild skin, a light skin, and you are fair, in fact this cream will match your skin. It's a very good match because it will even out your skin complexion. But if you are a hard skin type and you are using this cream, you are not going to see changes. So now the combo I will be reviewing you with this lotion will help you have a bright glow skin you deserve. So in general, the combo I'm giving you now works perfectly fine. This lotion contains 95% of vitamin C, pearl extract, turmeric, and SPF 15. So this helps to even out your skin, helps you have a healthy looking skin. This cream can be used by any skin complexion. That is why you see a chocolate skin using it. You see a brown skin girl using this cream. You also see a fair skin using this cream. It can be used by any skin complexion. What matters most is which product you combine this lotion together with. Is the half-cast carotene bar soap. This soap helps to cleanse your skin before applying the lotion. Cleans exfoliant, which helps to cleanse dirt, excess oil on your skin, and dead skin cells, so that your lotion will be able to absorb easily on your skin and give you a better result. This soap serves as a booster to your lotion, because once you are using this soap and combining it with the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow, it will help to brighten up your skin. This soap will help to give you that bright skin. Next and the last product I'm about to review now is an oil, and believe me, it's one of the favorite oil you guys know very well. It's the Dissar Vitamin C body oil. In fact, you guys know this oil very well, and it's a very popular oil. This oil helps to lock in moisture. When using this oil, always use it after applying your Nivea lotion, because it will work faster and give you that radiant glow. So guys, you see this combo I just reviewed now is a very good combo that will brighten up your skin naturally, glow your skin. And also, if you have dark areas of your skin such as the elbows and the knees, and you have knuckles, in fact this combo will go a long way for you. This combo will clear them all. Okay, so this combo is a very perfect combo. Nivea alone can make you dark depending on your skin type and depending on which product you combine. Go try this combo I just reviewed to you today, and let me see your comments on the comment section. I'm waiting for you right there. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if today is your first time, and see you on my next video. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your time.